Good morning, my dear children. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In our previous class, we have completed the block 1, that is importance of balanced diet. This is a discussion video. We all are going to discuss the questions and answers like practice questions, worksheet questions, and also the bonus question of the day. Did you complete your homeworks? I hope you all are completed your homeworks. Let's start the discussion. The contents of the block 1 is food groups, nutrients in food, balanced diet and food pyramid, avoid wastage of food. In the block importance of balanced diet, there are 4 learning plans, that is food groups, nutrients in food, balanced diet and food pyramid, avoid wastage of food. First one, food groups. We are going to discuss the question and answers from the topic food groups. First, the bonus question of the day. The question is, in which food group rice belongs to? In which food group rice belongs to? The options are vegetables, milk products, fruits, cereals and grains. Many students answered correctly in the online exam section. Let me tell the correct answer. In which food group rice belongs to is cereals and grains. The next one, practice questions. The first question is, name the food groups. Write the names of any 2 food items from each group. Name the food groups. Write the names of any 2 food items from each group. Have you all done the practice questions in your notebook? I hope you all are done. Remember one thing, these answers are only for verify your answers. Don't copy the answers. The answers may vary, so don't copy the answers from the video. The food groups are cereals and grains, that is rice, roti. These are sample answer. Your answers may be rice, roti, bread, noodles, etc. Next, vegetables. The food items in vegetables are potato, tomato, cabbage, cauliflower, etc. Next, fruits. The food items comes under fruits food group is apple, mango, orange, etc. Next, meat, fish, eggs and pulses, that is chicken, fish. Next, milk and milk products. The food items are curd, cheese, paneer, milk, etc. Next, fats, sweets and oil. It includes chocolates, cakes, sweets, etc. Next question is, write the functions of each food group. Sweet, cereals and grains give us energy. Vegetables and fruits protect us from diseases. Pulses and milk products help us to grow and become strong. Next worksheet questions. First question is, circle the food items that give us energy. In your workbook, the options are bread, rice, beans and milk. I hope you all are done the correct answer. The correct answer is bread and rice. The cereals and grains give us energy. So, bread and rice comes under the food group cereals and grains. Neeta maintains a food diary with details of her meals. The table shows her diary entry for a day. Complete the table. In the table, there are meal of the day, food eaten, food group, function of the food group. And the meal of the day is given as breakfast, lunch and dinner. The food group and function of the food group already filled for breakfast. You need to fill food group and function of the food group for lunch and dinner. Food in lunch is there are rice, cauliflower, green peas and ice cream. Now tell me, these all are comes under which food group? Yes, rice comes under cereals and grains. Cauliflower and peas are vegetables. Ice cream is a sweet. Now function of the food group. Rice, it is a cereals and grains. So it gives us energy. Vegetables protect us from diseases. So the function of cauliflower and green peas are protect us from diseases. Ice cream gives energy. Next, dinner. There are potato, roti and paneer. Let me tell. Roti made with wheat. So it comes under cereals. Potato is a vegetable. And paneer made with milk. So it comes under milk products. Now function of the food group. Roti gives energy. It is a cereal, so it gives energy. Potato gives energy and protect us from diseases. Paneer is milk product, so it helps us to grow. Next question is, do you think Neeta has healthy food habits? From her food diary, can you tell me? Is she have food from all groups? Let me say the answer. No, Neeta does not have healthy food habits since he has no fruit in her diet. We need food from all groups to have a healthy diet. Neeta does not have a healthy food habits since she has no fruit in her diet. We need food from all groups to have a healthy diet. Next topic is nutrients in food. In this topic, bonus question of the day is, which nutrient protects us from infections? Which nutrient protects us from infections? The options are proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. The correct answer is vitamins and minerals. Vegetables and fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. It protects us from infections. Next, practice questions. The question is, what are the 5 main nutrients and their functions? What are the 5 main nutrients and their functions? What are the 5 main nutrients? Yes, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. The function of the nutrients are: carbohydrates give us energy, proteins help us to grow, fats give us energy, minerals protect us from diseases. Similarly, vitamins protect us from diseases. What are the functions of nutrients? Carbohydrates and fats give us energy. Proteins help us to grow. Minerals and vitamins protect us from diseases. Put the video in pause and check your answers. Next question is, how many glasses of water should we drink in a day? Water is very important to our body. So answer is, we should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water in a day. We should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water in a day. The fifth question is, which nutrients give us energy? Name 2 food items rich in these nutrients. What are the nutrients? Yes, there are 5 main nutrients. That is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. For this question, your answers may vary. So don't copy the answer from the video. It's just a sample answer only. Carbohydrates and fats give us energy. Rice and roti are rich in carbohydrates. Butter and ghee are rich in fats. Bread and chapati are rich in carbohydrates. Curd and paneer are rich in fats. This answer also correct. Next worksheet questions. First question is, complete the table. The table contains nutrient, function of nutrient and food group. You have to fill the some functions of nutrient and some food group. The function of fat gives us energy and its food group are sweets, oil and fats. What nutrients are missing in the table? Yes, carbohydrates, minerals and vitamins. The function of carbohydrates that give us energy. The food group rich in carbohydrate are bread, chapati. You can also write the answer as rice, roti. Next, the function of protein. What is the function of protein? It helps us to grow. Food group rich in protein are pulses, fish, meat and eggs. Next, minerals and vitamins. Vegetables rich in minerals that protect us from diseases. And similarly, fruits rich in vitamins that is also protect us from diseases. I hope you all are done the work. Next question is, why should we drink at least 5 to 7 glasses of water in a day? As we discussed already, water is very important to our body. At least we should drink 5 to 7 glasses of water in a day. It helps us to digest our food and remove waste from our body. The answer is, water is very important for us. It helps to digest our food and remove waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. I repeat, water is very important for us. It helps to digest our food and remove waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. Next topic is balanced diet and food pyramid. In this topic, the bonus question of the day is, which is a food plan covering the main food groups in correct proportions? Which is a food plan covering the main food groups in correct proportions? The options are balanced diet, food pyramid. Most of the students have done correct answer in online exam section. The correct answer is balanced diet. Balanced diet is a food plan covering the main food groups in correct proportions. Okay. Next, practice questions. The question is, what is balanced diet? The correct answer is, a balanced diet is a food plan which has all the nutrients according to the food pyramid. A balanced diet is a food plan which has all the nutrients according to the food pyramid. Next question is, draw the healthy food pyramid. It is a sample food pyramid. Your answers may vary, so don't copy. Next, worksheet questions. First question is, look at the food pyramid and answer the questions. In your workbook, there is a pyramid. From that food pyramid, you need to answer the following questions. The question is, which food group should we eat more? Cereals and grains. As we already discussed, we should eat more of the things at the bottom of the food pyramid. So, the answer is cereals and grains. Next question, which food group should we eat less? Similarly, we should eat less of the things at the top of the food pyramid. So, the answer is fats and sweets. Next question, Rahim is overweight and wants to have less carbohydrates in his diet. Plan a balanced diet for him. There is a table as meal of the day and food and its servings. Also there is 3 sections, breakfast, lunch and dinner. The breakfast was filled already. For breakfast, bread 1 serving and milk 1 serving. To plan a balanced diet for Rahim, what should he eat for lunch? Roti 1 serving, vegetables 2 servings, curd 1 serving and fruit 1 serving. I repeat, roti 1 serving, vegetables 2 servings, curd 1 serving, fruit 1 serving. And for dinner, vegetables 2 servings, curd 1 serving, roti 1 serving, pulses 2 servings. Next question is, Raji is thin. How will a balanced diet for Raji be different from that of Rahim? Now tell me, Rahim is overweight, so he wants to have less carbohydrates in his diet. Raji is thin. So how will a balanced diet for Raji be different from that of Rahim? Yes, she have more carbohydrate in his diet. Answer is, a balanced diet for Raji will have more carbohydrates and proteins. A balanced diet for Raji will have more carbohydrates and proteins. It will give her energy and proteins will help her grow and become strong. Carbohydrates will give her energy and proteins will help her to grow and become strong. Next topic is avoid wastage of food. The bonus question of the day is, why is preservation of food important? Why is preservation of food important? The options are to waste the food, to prevent food from getting spoiled. The answer is to prevent food from getting spoiled. Why is preservation of food important? To prevent food from getting spoiled. Next, practice questions. Soon after the crops were harvested, it rained. What do you think happened to the crops? How could this be avoided? Do you think the crops were spoiled? Yes. Then how could this be avoided? For this question, answers may vary for every student. This is a sample answer. The answer is the crops would have been spoiled in the rain. This could be avoided by storing the grains properly after the harvest and prevent wastage. The crops would have been spoiled in the rain. This could be avoided by storing the grains properly after the harvest and prevent wastage. Don't copy the answer, it is a sample answer. Next worksheet questions. First question is, why should we not waste food? We should avoid wasting food because many people do not get enough food to eat. There are many people in the world who do not get sufficient food to lead a healthy life. So, we should avoid wasting food. The answer is, we should avoid wasting food because many people do not get enough food to eat. Next question is, how can we avoid wastage of food at a restaurant? Answer is by ordering the required quantity of food. We can order the required amount of food that we can eat. Next, how can we avoid wastage of food at a marriage party? Yes, we can share the food those who need it. Answer is by distributing the leftover food to those who need it. By distributing the leftover food to those who need it. Next question is, why do you think food packets have use by or best before dates mentioned on them? Why do you think food packets have use by or best before dates mentioned on them? Why should we use the food by this date? Yes, we use the food by best before dates to avoid the wastage of food. We should always check the best before labels on the food packets and use them before the printed date so that food does not go to waste. The answer is, the food will not be good to use after the best before date. To avoid wastage of food, we should use it before the best before date. Next question. A farmer sprayed medicine on his crops. How did he help in avoiding wastage of food? A farmer sprayed medicine on his crops. How did he help in avoiding wastage of food? Spraying medicine on crops is to save the crops. So, the answer is, spraying medicine on crops prevent them from getting spoiled. This helps in saving the food we get from the crops. Spraying medicine on crops prevent them from getting spoiled. This helps in saving the food we get from the crops. Discussion of all the questions and answers have completed. I hope you all are done your homework correctly. As we completed the block Importance of Balanced Diet, you will be having block assessment on Saturday. So be prepared for the block assessment and be prepared for and be ready with your notebooks and workbooks. You have to submit it on frequently. So do your homeworks correctly. After completing your homework, get a sign from your parents in planner. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. God bless you.